Hi, everyone. So, this is an important skill as we discuss reading. It is called text evidence, okay, which basically means you are going back in your text for your evidence to prove your answer is correct. So, it's asking specific information in what you can't do it from memory, okay? So, we're going to do a couple together. Number one says in 1958, men working in a Northern California forest began to believe Bigfoot was real. Please select the piece of text evidence that best explains why. So they give you four choices, and notice they are all in quotations, proving they came from the text. Okay, so we want the piece of evidence or proof that indicates in 1958, men working in a Northern California forest began to believe that Bigfoot was real. Which one of these four text evidence proves this piece? Okay, they all came from the text, but we want the one that best supports this answer. So we have A. These were creepy stories told by old timers to scare younger men. Does this prove men working in Northern California forests began to believe Bigfoot was real? How about B? The prints looked almost human with a heel and 5 toes, except they were enormous. C. Hundreds of people swore they actually saw Bigfoot with their own eyes. Or D. In 1967, 2 men claim to have filmed Bigfoot walking along a creek in California. Which one of these four, okay, they all came from the text, prove they believed Bigfoot was real? Okay, not made up, not a hoax, but he was actually real. Which one proves that? So out of present mode, you are going to drag, hopefully, the letter B. The prints looked almost human with a heel and 5 toes. That proves, wow, they thought it was real. It looked like a human. It had a heel. It had 5 toes. That is our best text evidence to prove that statement. Now, number 2 says, in your own words, describe one legend that relates to Bigfoot. Use details from the text. In your own words, describe one legend. Okay, so you're also going back in the text that relates to Bigfoot and coming up with another legend. I like the one in the text about native. I'm not right-handed, so this is hard for me. Native Americans. Okay. Told of giants who lived in the woods. And I'm also going to put that was the story of SLAPU. That was another legend they brought up, the story of Slapu. And it was told by the Muckleshoot people about a female giant who snatched naughty children who wandered off alone. So, in your own words, if you could describe one legend that relates to Bigfoot. I liked the legend that the Native Americans brought up, and that was the story of Slapu, and it was told by the Muckleshoot people about a female who snatched naughty children who wandered off alone. So you're going to write out a present mode in a nice complete sentence, and then we will meet up for question 3.